Hey y'all, you're always welcome at Memaw's house, where today we are cooking meatloaf. This recipe is the easy version for a quick weeknight meal or any meal that you feel a little lazy and you don't want to cut up any veggies and all that stuff. In the bowl I have a pound of ground beef, a packet of onion soup mix, and I just added my oatmeal, a quarter of a cup of oatmeal. I will add garlic salt, about a teaspoon, and a teaspoon of onion salt as well. To that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast flakes. And I've shared in another video earlier about the benefits of nutritional yeast, and I'll post it just above our heads here. I'm also adding a whole egg to bind the whole mixture together, and in I go with my hands. I'm going to mix this well, and then once I get it all put in my dish, I will add a can of Campbell's soup, tomato soup. I like to use tomato-based products like the soup as often as I can because it has been known to promote prostate health. And I want to keep Peepaw healthy for as long as I can. I'll try to include nutritional information as often as I can in my videos because I know that it's important for you to know how what you eat can benefit you. Of course, I'm going to spray my glass dish so that my meatloaf won't stick, and then with one hand, because I'm filming with the other, I am going to mold this meatloaf in my dish and get it all set and ready to go. Look at that one-handed magic, if you will. Now here comes the tomato soup. Now I'll place my meatloaf in a 350-degree oven that has been preheated. It takes about 30 minutes to 45 minutes for the meatloaf to cook all the way through. So here, my meatloaf is ready. Tonight, I'm pairing my meatloaf with some mashed potatoes and some mixed vegetables. Super easy meal for me and Peepaw. Hey y'all, so I finished making my meatloaf meal. I hope you enjoyed that. Me and Peepaw are getting ready to eat because the kids are gone. And I'm going to go ahead and taste my meatloaf so that you can know that it's for real. Hold on. Got me a little piece of meatloaf. It's good, it's juicy, and it's full of flavor. That's all you can want with your meatloaf. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you are blessed today. Have a good day. Be blessed. Bye. Thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe.